Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify SEO tags for better ranking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Preferences to access the SEO settings for your store. In the title and meta description section, enter a clear and concise title for your store. Ensure that your title includes relevant keywords for better visibility. Next, move to the meta description field. Write a brief description of your store's offerings. This description should also incorporate essential keywords. Scroll down to the homepage SEO section. Consider adding alt text to your homepage images. Click on any image to edit its settings. In the alt text field, describe what the image is about using relevant keywords. Now, let's enhance the SEO for individual products. Navigate to the Products tab on the left sidebar. Select a product to edit its details. In the Product Details page, find the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Click Edit Website SEO to open the settings for that product. Add a descriptive title that includes important keywords. After that, fill in the meta description box with a concise overview of the product. Include a call to action if possible, such as buy now or limited stock. Review the URL and handle field for this product. Make sure the URL is simple and includes relevant keywords. Now let's optimize your collections as well. Go back to the Products tab and click on Collections. Select a collection you want to optimize. Similar to the Product Edit page, find the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Click Edit Website SEO and enter a title and meta description for the collection. Ensure that both the title and description include relevant keywords to attract more visitors. Finally, regularly update and monitor your SEO settings. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.